Hello, dear learners. Greetings and welcome to this course. I am Vishal Singh, Assistant Professor in the Department of English at Vasanta College for Women, Rajghat, Varanasi, admitted to the privileges of Banaras Hindu University. It gives me great pleasure to introduce our 8-week course, Understanding Literary Genres and Devices. Dear learners, I welcome you all in this 8-week course. This course has been designed in collaboration with Professor Manjari Jhunjhunwala, Head Department of English, Vasanta College for Women, Rajghat. Dear friends, it is a 2-credit program comprising 40 lectures, each approximately 30 minutes in duration. Though duration of lecture may vary from lecture to lecture. This course is designed for a clear and structured understanding of major literary genres and essential literary devices that support learners at both undergraduate and postgraduate levels. It is a well thought out course that aims not only for the students of English literature but also for every passionate learner who wants to know why the impression of literary work stays and how it manages to make us laugh, cry, or think so deeply. This 8-week course is structured into 8 comprehensive modules, each consisting of 5 focused lectures. Talking about Module 1, it introduces the foundations of literature, covers the nature of literature and literary studies, the concept of text, methods of close reading, the idea of genre, and overview of literary classification from Aristotle to postmodernism. We'll try to cover it in Module 1. Moving forward in Module 2, it focuses on prose as a literary form. It offers an introduction to prose, its definition, types, and scope, along with detailed discussion of major prose forms such as the essay, biography, autobiography, travelogue, memoir, diary writing, and letter writing. Module 2 completely focus on prose as writing. Module 3 explores fiction as a literary form, examines the essential elements of fiction, the structure and nature of the short story and novella, novel, and narrative modes such as parable and allegory will also be discussed in Module 3. Module 4 deals with the novel as a literary genre. This module traces the novel as a long prose narrative, its evolution from romance to realism, early narrative traditions, the Gothic, domestic, and romantic imagination, and the emergence of the novel of growth, society, and mind. Moving forward in Module 5, we will discuss it will be completely dedicated to poetry as a literary form. Learners will study the meaning, origin, and nature of poetry, essential poetic elements, major poetic forms, its styles, movements, and schools, along with thematic and stylistic analysis for effective appreciation of poetry. Module 6 examines drama as a literary genre, introducing its nature and origins, major dramatic elements and devices, that the historical development of drama, and the key types and subgenres within dramatic literature. We'll try to focus on this, how drama is a collaborative art. Then Module 7 focuses on literary devices and techniques, offering a clear understanding of literary devices, their functions, and classification. It further covers imagery, figurative language, sound and rhythm, symbolism, irony, allegory, and key dramatic devices that enrich literary expression. Further, in Module 8, we'll conclude with practical criticism from reading to interpretation. This module covers the scope of practical criticism, the method of close reading, and practical approaches to analyzing poetry, prose, and drama. The course objective of this course, in order to introduce learners to measure literary genres, different form of writing, or to develop the ability to read, analyze, and interpret literary text, to familiarize students with important literary devices and techniques. Also will focus on to strengthen skills of close reading and critical appreciation, to build analytical competence through practical criticism. Talking about the target audience, target learners for this course is designed to support undergraduate and postgraduate students of English literature, including learners from both regular programs and at the same time the NEP 2020 batches. It will also be highly useful for students enrolled in AEC, Ability Enhancement course, and SEC, Skill Enhancement courses. Importantly, the course is not limited to students of English literature alone. Anyone with an interest in reading literary or non-literary texts and in exploring how meaning is created, how meaning is generated, will benefit from it. I warmly invite you to join this journey of understanding literature and its diverse devices. Let's learn together, let's grow together. The course will conclude with an MCQ based examination also. I, with my team, will be available on the discussion forum to address your questions, queries, doubts, observation. Upon successful completion of this course, you will also receive a course certificate. So I hope you will enjoy journey of learning, journey of growing together, and I invite you to join this course. Thank you so much for joining. Best wishes and happy learning. Thank you.